Welcome to the MechanicDesk help videos. In this tutorial video, we will look at how your workshop's customers can make a booking using the ServiceBook app. From the Jobs tab, you can see there is an existing job for this vehicle, but we will create a new booking for demonstration purposes. In the bottom right of the screen is an orange diary icon. Click on this and you can mark all current jobs as finished. Click it again to create a new booking. From here you can specify the drop-off time and the pickup time, as well as add any notes required. You can also add images here by pressing the plus icon like so, and either selecting an image from the phone, tablet, or taking a photo. On selecting Make a Booking, the customer has then submitted a booking request which will sync with your MechanicDesk account and create a booking request. If we now open the MechanicDesk browser version as seen here, we can click on Diary and then Online Booking Requests to see that the customer's booking request has come through via the ServiceBook app. You can see the notes section that the customer may have filled out, as well as any images they have attached. If you click on New Bookings here, you can see the customer's details have auto-filled. At this point, the system will send a booking confirmation to your customer via the ServiceBook app. You can see it from this screen here. As you can see here, the customer will see a confirmation notification via the ServiceBook app itself. If the customer connected to the workshop using the app, it will be sent via push notification. Thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the MechanicDesk support team.